Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a Discord server. I'm going to use the desktop app, but the process is very similar in other places. Okay, here I am in my burgers server. So how do we delete this server? Go to the upper left corner here in the drop down, go to server settings. Now, if you scroll down here, you're not going to see the delete server button like in the previous versions of Discord. That's because it's been moved to the bottom of the navigation bar. Okay, just scroll down on the navigation bar and click on delete server. Now, to confirm that you want to delete this Discord server, you have to type the server's name into this server box and then click on the delete server button. And there you have it. Your Discord server should disappear from your list. And that's because it's been successfully deleted. Okay, and that's how you delete a Discord server, which completely removes it from Discord system. But if you still have issues with the Discord, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.